With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so in this question it is given consider the following sequence of reaction and we have to identify the products which can be formed. So if you just look at our product here, reactant here, that is C, double bond C, and we have down the plane H and we have down the plane here Me, and we have up the plane here, it is out of the plane here is hydrogen, and we have out of the plane here is Me. So if you look at here that it reacted with Pr2 and S2, so what product will be formed? So now we are going to see that what happening in this reaction. So what happened is that this bromine molecule forms a cyclohalogen intermediate like this. I'm showing you that when this Br, that is when this Br broken here, it forms an electrophile and a nucleophile. So what happens is this bromines attack here and it leads to formation of cyclic intermediate, that is cyclic bromonium ion intermediate like this. And we have down the group here is methyl, and we have hydrogen here. We have up the plane here hydrogen, and we have up the plane, that is out of the plane Me. So now this intermediate forms by attacking of this bromine electrophile to this carbon, and it is forming like this, that is bond broken here, this bromine comes to this place, and again the electron density attacks to the bromine, leads to the formation of cyclic bromonium ion. Now here H2O is attacked to this side. Why it is attacking to this side? Why this not bromine? Because H2O travels more faster to attack on this side as comparison to Br minus. So Br minus is not attacking here at this point of time, because in the presence of H2O, H2O will react here fastest. So what happened is that when this H2O attacks, so I'm drawing the scenario like this. We have a cyclic bromonium ion positive now, and we have down the group methyl, we have down the plane hydrogen, we have our here hydrogen, and we have our methyl, that is here the above the plane. So here H2O consists of lone pair, so it attacks here and this bromine bond gets dissociated in this way. So now when it leads to formation of this type of product, that is it forms OH2 plus, out of the plane we have our methyl group, which is out of the plane we have down the group here is the methyl group, and we have down the group here is the hydrogen. So and we have our bromine here. So now what happened is that one of the H plus ion removes from this part, that is it leads to releasing of this H plus ion, and now it forms this type of compound like this. We have bromine, we have methyl group here, we have our hydrogen here, and down the group it is methyl and it is hydrogen, and now we have hydroxyl group. Now there again one reaction take place is that this hydroxyl ion attacks this oxygen having a lone pair attacks to this carbon, and this bromine is a good leaving group leaves out. So overall it leads to formation of this type of compound, that is this is our H, this is our methyl, this is our hydrogen, and this is our methyl. Now this is our first compound which is forming, and if we look at the options here, we find out that option A is our forming A. Now if this A option, suppose what happen is that if this A option is like turned by like this, that is it is rotated, that is our compound which is formed here is now I am rotating like this. About this oxygen now comes to this place. So what happens is that it forms a compound like this, that is now our oxygen comes to this place and this hydrogen now go to in the plane, that is now this hydrogen goes in the plane and this methyl group also goes in the plane and that methyl group comes out of the plane like this and that hydrogen comes out of the plane. So this is also one of the product which is forming here. So now if you look at option 3 here, the option 3 is also forming here. So if you look this, then option A and option C, that is option A and option C are the product which will be formed by this reaction. I hope you get the answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.